We provide the telecom solutions. We are a solution provider through the telecom technology, mainly for IT industry and also healthcare.
The VoIP is VoIP over services, telecom services, which is registered by DOT, Department of Telecommunications. Because when we are giving any of the VoIP services, definitely we need to have a legal authority from the DOT so that we can provide legally all the telecommunication services across the globe as per the license that which we choose. So we have chosen A1 license. So this really helps us to take the calls from one place to the another place across the globe with the nominal charges. And we are also coming up with very good plans.
We're mainly dependent on the search engine optimization. We do weekly webinars. We educate customers. We are big into email marketing and also social media.
Mainly we use LinkedIn as a platform and also the referral key, which really helps to take it to the next level. So what happens regularly when we post whatever we have, the upgrades or the enhancements, we post it in that and we will give the entire solutions that which we are providing. So these kind of things really helps the clients to understand our services and the product.
We have a very good name in the IT industry. You ask anybody, they know VoIP Office. So apart from that, we have a healthcare, second biggest. And we are proud to say that we are very few companies who can provide the HIPAA compliant service, end-to-end encrypted communications. Majority of the companies reduce the employees and reduce the number of hours. In other words, we are opposite to that. We increase the number of employees. We increase the number of hours also. I am so proud of my employees. They are so dedicated. They've been spending the more time, actually, their availability increased a lot. Our aim is to make sure we are available at any time required by our customers, especially in the difficult time like this. So we want to help the businesses stay in business, in fact, grow their business and utilize the slowness. I can tell you we are in a warpath. We utilize this time to upgrade every part of the software. Version 6 of our communicator, it's a flagship tool for our company. We introduced version 6. See, the difficult part in the COVID-19 situation is everybody working from home. Okay, they can only see each other face, but they cannot handshake. So that kind of situation, what we are trying to do is with the tools we introduced, we are bringing their experience as if they are sitting right next to each other. We're never dependent on the traditional market. So we are strong in digital marketing. Because we're putting so much effort, we continue to receive the referrals. About 80% of our business comes through the referrals. So we continue improving that side and also the digital marketing, because that's what our strength is. So we keep increasing our focus on the digital marketing. Make sure to taking care of the existing customers. Make sure they're happy. My company strength is my customers, my employees. My customers themselves bringing the new business every day. I'm proud to say that on a daily basis, if you look at it, 1 to 2 referrals we receive from our customers. So my advice to the companies, provide a great service, good service, and make sure that your customers get the value of what they pay for. Obviously, automatically, they will bring you the business.
Markets are pretty much in a crisis state, but I can say this is the area where one cannot solve the problem. We should have a teamwork to do the things in this crisis situation and can make the things like not only encouraging them by giving some offers, incentivize, so that the companies start pushing us and encouraging us, and can also make the marketing more into the strategic way. So this helps to make us to have a good rapport with the clients as well and make the happy customers.
Focus on the existing customer base. Call the customers, communicate to the customers, making sure they're happy. Make sure you can go back and ask for the referral. Sir, you know what? This is what you do. Are you happy with my service? So please help me. I need to achieve my goal and please help me. So obviously your sales your customers are going to be your strong sales force, comes free.
At the same time, as we are coming up with the new technologies and enhancements, so these tools will definitely help the people who are really looking into the changes where work from home has becoming mandatory nowadays. So the adoption of changes in the technology need to be adapted by the existing customers as well as the new clients, where they can feel comfort to market themselves. Both are important. Definitely, the existing clients are the first preference because they know very well regarding the features and the product value, how much we are giving and how much pain we are putting from our end in developing the technology day by day as per their convenience. Even though we are integrating with the CRMs, which are really helpful for them to integrate and to understand what scenario is working on.
Your existing customers are not only customers, they are your sales force. Making sure that they're getting what they paid for not only helps you keep them happy, but brings you new business. I believe in customer service. When it comes to retention cost, losing the customer is going to cost you more than getting the new customer again. So my strength is a quality, my strength is a name. I always tell my team that, you know what, we can lose the money, but not the name. If you lose the money, you can get the money back. But if you lose the name, it's going to be difficult. Marketing always takes the cost. Go back to your customer base, talk to each and every customer, have them work for you. It's free.
Branding is one of the main focus which we need to do during the crisis, because once we put our branding into the market, definitely there will be a lot of chance to promote ourselves. Moving in the digital marketing, sharing to your groups, networks.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.